and today I'm going to be pranking Bun Bun. So Bun Bun has this account and she's on it right now. I'm just gonna say OMG. She's not replying. Okay, I'm just gonna prank on her. Just say that someone's outside my door and I'm just gonna say someone's outside my door. I am under the bed. So scared. OMG. I'm just gonna say OMG. He's in. I can hear his footsteps. He is in. I can hear his footsteps. Help me, please. Help me, please. I can't. Even though I want to call, but I don't have a phone. Even though I want to call, but I don't have a phone. Remember? Remember? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. He is. Help. Help. Someone is in my house. Okay, I'm just gonna do this. Okay, she's really nice. She's calling you. I'm just gonna paint this girl as well. Not the time. No, not. Okay, I'm gonna prank her. No, not the time, not the time. Someone's in my house. Someone is in my house. Oh, I wanna let me type. Okay. YouTube just came on it and scared me so much. This is a prank. No, it's not a joke. It's not a joke. I'm so scared. I'm just gonna say I'm so scared. So scared. Okay, I'm just gonna say I'm so scared. He is in my house. Help me, I am literally. He found me. Oh my gosh, I'm just gonna go back online. This is so funny, guys.